regard. Voila! Ta-da! Can't you wait for some syrup? As you see, I believe a pancake should be the size of the pan. Of course, that takes more skill than the average human being could master, but there you are. I studied under Escoffier. Oscar the Wardroff, give me your penny. And Aunt Jemima. Oh, here. There we are. God's coming up in a minute, Trot. Whatever you can't finish, you can wear as a hat.
Oh.